We're at the Grand Canyon Ranch here. We flew the Bell 206 L4 out, and we're going to take this Bell 206B back to North Las Vegas. But first we're going to take a quick run through the Grand Canyon.
Oh yeah. We're gonna do that and then we're
Yeah, we're
leaving.
going to go to the Grand Canyon, then we're going to head back.
Okay, great.
Should be great. Beautiful weather. January, winter, snow, cold, and not too windy yet.
Yeah, not yet. And here you can do glamping, guys. See, may tipi at saka wagon, covered wagon. And then, diyan ang office nila. And then you can do ATV too. See, you can do Grand Canyon tours. You can ride the helicopter for 15 minutes from here to the Grand Canyon. And even you can ride a horse riding there. You can ride a horse. They have a horse riding, I mean. Yeah. So it's nice. Pero this time, it's malamig. It's cold, guys. Oh, okay. Malamig. Because it's a lot of snow. Grabe. Andun ang mga customer. Mayroon silang customer. Nag-ATV, nag-helicopter ride sila. Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe sa aming channel, Jack and Bill the Explorers. Bye-bye. Love you all, guys.